아, 이거 진짜 참 이상하네. 아무튼.
왜? 무슨 일 있었어?
아, 지금 민준이가 싱가포르에 있는데 나한테 돈 좀 빌려달라고 전화를 하더라.
에? 벌써 돈 다 썼대?
아, 그게 아니라 얘가 진짜 좀 stupid해. stupid.
스토피?
무슨 얘기인지 들어볼래?
어.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
응.
Minjun went to the laundry to wash his blanket. He put his blanket inside the washing machine and came back to his room. He was looking for his cell phone to call his friend. However, he wasn't able to find his phone. He thought he might have left it at the laundry. So he went back there. However, again, he wasn't able to find it. Suddenly, he was worried about whether he put his phone inside the washing machine. Unfortunately, his phone was inside the washing machine. Well, that silly boy Minjun didn't take out his phone.
에? 왜 안 꺼냈대? 당장 꺼내야지.
I know. He told me his iPhone 7 was waterproof. After his laundry was done, he took out his phone. Well, his phone was totally fine. Nothing was wrong. So, he just kept using it. Well, you know, you need to dry your phone before using it when it is wet. Unfortunately, his phone became out of order. So, he called me to borrow some money for his refurbish.
와, 진짜 그 오빠도 알고 있었지만 정말 특이하다.
그러니까 진짜 이상한 애라니까.
응.
아, 오늘도 영어로 질문을 한번 해볼까?
그래.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
First question. Did Minjun go to the laundry to iron his clothes?
No. 민준 didn't go to the laundry to iron his clothes.
Good, good, excellent.
Clothes.
So we actually don't say clothes, we say clothes.
Clothes.
Yeah, clothes with this just an S. Yeah. Did Minjun go to the laundry to wash his hair?
No. 민준 didn't go to the laundry to wash his hair.
Good. Did Minjun go to the laundry to wash his blanket?
Yes. 민준 went to the laundry to wash his blanket.
Good, good, good. Did Minjun put his blanket inside the washing machine?
Yes. 민준 put his blanket inside the washing machine.
Good, good. Did Minjun put his blanket right next to the washing machine?
No. 민준 put his blanket right to next.
Okay. Yeah. No, I'll do it one more time. So right next to, it means 바로 옆. Okay? So next to is 옆, 바로 옆 is right next to, right?
민준 didn't put his blanket right next to the washing machine.
Good, good, excellent. Did Minjun take out his phone from the washing machine? Take out.
Take out?
Take out.
take out.
Yeah.
No. He didn't take out his phone from the washing machine.
Good, good, very good. When did Minjun take out his phone?
He took out his phone when the laundry was done.
Good, good, very good. Yeah. Was Minjun's phone fine for the whole time?
No. 민준's phone was not fine for whole time.
Yeah. You got it? Okay.
I
okay.
got it.
Okay, good, good. I trust you. Yeah. Did Minjun call me to lend some money?
No, he didn't call you. to lend some money.
Okay, good, good. Very good. Did Minjun call me to borrow some money?
렌드랑 바로랑 차이가 뭔지 모르겠어.
So lend is when you give somebody money.
아,
Borrow is when you get
아,
money from someone. So lend is,
주다,
that's right. Borrow is,
받다.
that's right.
Yes. He called you to borrow some money.
Good, good, very good, very good. Did Minjun call me to buy a new phone?
No, he didn't call you to buy a new phone.
Good, good, excellent, excellent. Did he need the money to refurbish his phone?
Yes, he didn't. He needed money to refurbish his phone.
Good, good, he did.
그래서 리퍼 비용이 얼마였대?
50만 원.
50만 원? 그래서 돈을 빌려달라 했구나.
아무튼 넌 좀 쓸데없이 이런 거 하지 말고, 야, 영어 공부네, 영어 공부.
코어스텔링이다.
공부 열심히 해.
응.